Welcome back to another episode of Jason's Life in 5. Today is something different than any other video I've ever done. Today I'm actually gonna start something that it's gonna take me a few weeks to finish. So I'm gonna do this video over the time while I work on this project and see what we can do. What I'm doing today, making a birthday present for my daughter. She's gonna be turning 19 in July, and I got something special for her. I got her some Mickey Mouse ears, and I got them embroidered when I was there last time. As you can see, they say O2H, O2H. That is just like from the Jungle Cruise. So I'm gonna theme these Mickey ears for her and see if we can get something that looks good. Let's see how it works. So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm starting with this ear. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the paint to stick, so I'm gonna have to try maybe doing it a couple different layers. So after day one, this was what I got finished. We'll have to paint the rest on that one before we move on to the next. Let's go. So after 2 days, here's our progress. You can see we got the one ear done. Now I need to try to focus on that second one. See if we can get that done. After, I don't know, about 3 days of working at night, I've finished the front of the ears. You can see how they've turned out. Pretty good. You've got an homage to the old poster, and then you've got the entrance sign. Now I just got to do something with the back, so let's see what we can do there. Well, our backside of water is starting to take shape. We'll see if we can clean it up. Fortunately, the paint doesn't stick great to the raw ear material, but after we get a couple layers on, it starts to stick pretty good. So here is our next hat update. You can see the waterfalls coming along, and we're gonna start on the other ear so we can get it finished up. So continuing with how it's going, front's all good. This is what the back's looking like. The backside of water may stick with it. Might try to tweak it a little bit, we'll see. Now we're trying to get the last one done. So I've done it, I've completed the last one. You can see we've got the rhino and the guys climbing the pole. Got that done. We've got the backside of water, and then of course the front. So we'll give it to her and see if she likes it. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Buy one, get one. Twice the price.
Oh. O2H. What is that?
What's O2H mean?
It's the backside of water.
So how is it?
Good, it'll match my outfit.
You can still take the Indy hat if you want.
Oh, did you?
Holy
You're doing
smokes.
the Jungle Cruise on that.
Yes.
All of those, there's some on the back too.
Let's see in the back.
Yep.
Oh.
All right, so tomorrow's the big birthday. Katya and her mom are heading off to Disneyland. You're gonna take your new ears.
Yep,
What'd you think of them?
I love them. Thank you.
All right, well, I hope you enjoy them on the Jungle Cruise and hope you have a happy birthday.
Thanks.
We love you. O2H!